Well, hello and welcome. This is David Wilson from Overdevest Nurseries, looking at some lovely plants that are going to be shipped out to garden centres in the next week or so. And here on this wagon is a Euonymus variety that really catches my eye. This is Euonymus Gold Splash, and the reason it catches my eye is that when I look here, you'll see that this has beautiful big bold leaves that show off a lovely variegation, larger than any of this type of Euonymus that I've seen before. This is one that can be used either as a single specimen, planted en masse, or could just be put into a container to give you all year round interest. Really lovely thing to pop into a window box, a pot, or even somewhere just by the front door. This particular selection grows about 18 inches to 2 foot high by about the same wide, and of course it can be trimmed. But also what's interesting for me about this is that this is a selection from a very old tried and true variety called Emerald and Gold. But the leaves on this is much bigger. It turned up as a sport at Roemertwo nurseries in Ohio and was introduced, as you see, from proven winners. This is Euonymus Gold Splash.